So we made it to the dinner, and as you can see, it's time to eat. I don't know what they have. I haven't run through the line yet, but something good, I bet. Look at all these people here. All right, so we're here at the Eagle Wings Motorcycle Association dinner on Thursday. Yvette and John, Dennis, Daryl, and everybody else here. Yeah, there we go. But yeah, we're here. That's Yvette, that's John. They're really nice. They wanted to photobomb, but I decided to make a video. You want yours on the brine? Yeah. Are we in Milwaukee? They have brats. So we're at the Eagle Wings Motorcycle Association rally, and one of the first people you have to meet is Anita. Hi, Anita.
Hi.
She is the CEO of this whole thing, right?
Yep.
And she's one of the best.
Founders.
I found her.
Founders.
JR, and I'm in Bruce's seat right now, so
yes, you are.
He'll be back, and he's probably gonna kick me out, but whatever.
So it's all right. I don't know where he is.
He's okay.
We're good.
What's this guy doing? I'm just kidding. We saw you videoing, and we decided to put you in the video.
During eating it, we have water.
Please remain standing for our national anthem, sung by John Moravec, followed by the Pledge of Allegiance.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light and the home of the
And Bruce and Barb Beeman.
Hi, y'all!
Why don't you use the microphone?
Are you here to have a little fun?
Are you here to have some fun? We have a great agenda set up for you.
We're just glad you're all here. So let's get this going.
Well, welcome to Knoxville.
Woo!
This is the inaugural Eagle Wings Rendezvous. Wow, and you guys are here. You're the first ones to be here. So we can't tell you how much we appreciate that. We've come a long way since July of 2022. Not knowing whether or not we'd even be able to get this rally put together, but thanks to an awful lot of people and support, we were able to do that. We want to thank Clyde Herring. Clyde, where are you? Can you stand up? You in the room? I can't see you, but Clyde named Rendezvous, and we appreciate that in the contest we held. And then Kathy Dolinger, where are you?
Here.
There she is. I see her waving her hand. Kathy designed the logo that we have, so we thank you for that. It was a fun contest. For those who have been here before, or if you've seen the pictures on Facebook, Knoxville is famous for having a really, really big KNOX. And it's on the second floor. And it's a great photo op, and in the O this year is the Eagle Wings logo. So you'll definitely want to take some time, get over there, get some photos taken, because it looks fabulous. So Bruce, I think it's time for us to introduce a very special new addition to our team.
Absolutely. It was going to be my pleasure to introduce our president of Eagle Wings Motorcycle Association. However, there was this little bitty storm that they didn't think they should travel in, so they weren't able to make it, and that's Bob and Nan Schrader from Florida. So we continue on.
We can't, we made a shift so Bruce could start working in the corporate side of the operations, and we just felt that Bob and Nan were just a great representation of all the membership, and they're just great leaders, so we're delighted to have them as president. But then we have an amazing team.
Yes. And to start off with, I'd like to present Patty and
So,
Sal Espinito. They are our chief financial officers. Thank you. We have vice president of operations. We have Don and Rhonda, and I didn't spell right. Wade.
I did.
And then we have Johnny Levette Waffek. I was close. I was close.
And what a
Chris Toomer, Vice President of Operations. Dave Ward is our Canadian Vice President of Operations.
Hey.
Alessandro.
and Maria Rosa Boveri.
They're our overseas Vice President of Operations, and they weren't able to make it here today, but their wishes and love is with us.
The next person that has been a friend for years, and many of you I think know could not make it, and that is our Vice President of Finance, Randall and Janet Drake. Okay, our Vice President of Safety and Ride Coordination, Bob and Renee Hicks. Our Vice President of Membership Development, and they have some fun stuff to share with you for the rally, Bill and Cheryl Smith. Our Vice Presidents of Special Operations, so be sure you're at their focus groups, Bruce and Tina Gebhardt. And our administrative assistant and friend for 25 years, Joyce Gilmore and her husband Rick. Then we have our international directors, the Director of Technology and Communication, Mike Melton. And his assistant is Rick Gilmore. And then our Directors of First Aid CPR, that's with our HSI program, is Todd and Wendy Stark.
That's our international team, but to really help us back things up, we have some wonderful regional directors. As we kick off the rendezvous, we'd like to recognize those people that have served their countries in the military. So when I call off the branch, would you please stand? Anyone that served in the Army, please stand. Served in the Navy, please stand. Anyone that served in the Marines, please stand. Anyone that served in the Coast Guard, please stand. Anyone that served in the Air Force. Forgotten are those that are serving or have served in the National Guard, please stand.
Thank you all for your service. We also want to recognize those that have really come to the forefront. I think we're all a little more aware of them, and we can't appreciate you enough for what you do. So when we call it out, would you please stand? We have any police officers, please stand. I was once told by a friend of mine who was a police officer that the next guys are crazier than the police because they run into burning buildings, and that's our firefighters. Our EMTs, I know we got one for sure, Roger. Our other first responders, dispatchers, our medical workers, and that doctor to nurse to assistants, God bless you.
never stood up before, but I'll take it.
How many of you rode? Yeah. How many of you drove? I don't care, whatever. You're here.
Ooh.
We are so delighted that you're here. We've said we're 2 wheels, 4 wheels, up to 18. How many wheels do you have, Drum? 10. Okay, we're at 10. All right. Anyway, y'all got here. Everybody's safe. We're happy. Have you been down to visit the vendors? Yes. I have to tell you, I couldn't be more tickled with the number of vendors we have and how they have chosen to support us.
Good choice, good choice.
It's not aiding support.
And it's not Stantown, USA.
Oh,
That's Raleigh.
Aw, no.
looks like
Here it is.
Green Bay.
No, look.
Green Bay. Guessed it right away. That is good. Google those questions. I'm calling that. We also live there, so.
Toilet paper capital of the world because they're full of shit.
Cannot hear you. The microphone's the floor.
Sure. So I'm Denise, and this is Chelsea. We're both with Discover Green Bay. So we're super excited to welcome you to Green Bay in 2024. You're going to be right in the heart of our downtown, lots of restaurants and shopping.